Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Windows 11 theme in dark and light mode. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is powered on and fully loaded. You'll want to wait until everything is ready and your desktop appears before moving forward. This ensures all system files are accessible and you won't run into any issues during the process. Once your PC is ready, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will open your file navigation window where you can access all your drives and folders. Now, navigate to your C drive. This is typically your main system drive where Windows is installed. Click on it to open and view all the folders contained within. From here, locate and open the Windows folder. This folder contains all the core system files and resources that make your operating system function properly. Within the Windows folder, look for a folder named Resources and open it. This folder stores various system assets, including themes, sounds, and other visual elements that Windows uses. Inside the Resources folder, you'll find the Themes folder. Go ahead and open it to see all the available themes you can apply to your Windows 11 PC. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of theme files available on your system, and among them, you'll prominently notice two important options, the dark theme and the light theme. These are the primary appearance modes that control how your entire Windows interface looks, from your taskbar to your windows and menus. To apply either mode, simply double-click on the theme file of your choice. If you want a dark interface that's easier on the eyes in low light conditions, double-click the dark theme file. If you prefer a brighter, more traditional look, double-click the light theme file. The change will apply immediately, and you'll see your entire system interface transform to match your selection. The best part is, you can switch between these themes whenever you want. If you decide you don't like your current selection or simply want to change things up, just return to this Themes folder and double-click a different theme from the list. Your Windows 11 system will instantly apply the new theme, giving you full control over your visual experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change between dark and light themes in Windows 11 by accessing the system theme files directly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.